So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete the media files of WhatsApp in your smartphone. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to delete media files of WhatsApp in your smartphone, first of all open WhatsApp. Here in the top right corner you can see three dots option. Click on three dots and go to the settings. Here you can see an option of storage and data. Click on storage and data and go to the manage storage. Here you will be able to see all the storage used in your smartphone by the WhatsApp. Here also all the chats will be shown. You can just simply click on the chat and all the media files sent by that chat will be opened in your smartphone. After that you can select it and delete it in your Android smartphone or iOS. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.